Hello students, today we are going to study the concept of discount. As we have already discussed in our previous videos the concept of profit and loss. We are moving further with our second part, that is discount concept. So first point, when a shopkeeper reduces the price on the market price of the goods, that is called, what he offers, that is called discount. And discount is always calculated on the market price. So the formula implements of discount is equals to market price minus selling price. Market price is the price at which their article is being marked, and the selling price is that price at which we are selling an article. Market price is also called the printed price or the listed price of an article. Discount percent formula. When we have to calculate the discount as in percentage, discount is always calculated on the marked price, that is the listed price. Discount percentage is equals to discount upon market price, that is the marked price, into 100. Now how we will be calculating selling price when market price and the discount is given to us. So market price minus discount gives you the selling price. So the basic conclusion is that we have to keep in mind while solving the concept of discount that it is always calculated on the marked price. It is always been calculated on the marked price, then it is being given to us. Here I have taken a small question to make clear the concept of discount. So the question says, a tradesman marks his goods at 35% above the CP, that is above the cost price. Here we will be assuming, as per our question, let the CP be 100. You can also assume let the cost price be X. Here I have assumed let it be 100 CP. So our mark price will be 35% above the CP. 100 plus 35% of 100 only. So we are getting 135 as our mark price. Then further moving to the statement, then allowed a discount of 15%. Then they are allowing a discount of 15%. 15% discount will be on their mark price. As we have already read in our points, discount is always calculated on the marked price. So 15 upon 100 into 135. After doing all the calculation, we are getting our discount in terms of rupees as rupee 20.25 paisa. Now what they are asking, what profit percent does he save? How much profit percent he is saving? So we need to calculate selling price. To find out our profit, selling price states that is a mark price minus a discount. 135 is our mark price and our discount in terms of rupee is 20.25 paisa. After deducting, we are getting our selling price as 114.75. We have already calculated our selling price, that was coming rupees 114.75. So now we need to calculate our profit. Profit is equals to, remembering our old formula, selling price minus cost price. Cost price we have assumed as 100 rupees. So 114.75 minus 100. Profit we are getting rupees 14.75. Now we need to calculate a profit percent. As per our question, profit percent will be profit upon CP into 100, as profit is always calculated on the value of cost price. So profit is 14.75 upon 100 into 100. After doing all the calculation, we are getting our profit percent as 14.75%. I hope the concept of discount is clear to you. We'll be meeting very soon with more questions for practice based on our topic discount. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.